guys, welcome back. It's been a while and I want to show you a very simple and easy recipe today. It's a radish bibimbap recipe. I originally saw this off of a Instagram post from Easy Chan. I tried it. It was so simple and so good. So I wanted to do this for you guys. All I need from you is 5 minutes. There's no boiling, no frying, no cooking, just chopping and putting it together. That's it. I've been really working hard at pull-ups, so I'm getting better at it. Oh, it's my morning exercise. We need around 500 grams of radish. First off, I'm going to peel these. I think it's eyeballing. I think it's gonna come around up to here. Try to get them as thin as possible. You will know why I say it when you have it. For this recipe, you really wanna use the Korean radish. Look at the width. And then I'm going to julienne them. Like this. I'm gonna see how much I've made. 1 big handful, 2 big handful, 3 big handful. So this was more than enough for 2-person serving. 3 green onions. We're gonna chop them into really thin slices. By the way, we're actually growing our own chives in our little balcony. Do you guys wanna see it? 얘도 죽었네?
안 죽었어.
이거 왜 이렇게 시들시들해 보일까? 물을 더 줘야겠다. This is a great reminder to water your spring onions. We're done almost. The most difficult part of this recipe was chopping the radish. Now we're gonna add the seasoning. So we're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of tuna fish sauce, or you can use Korean anchovy fish sauce or any other fish sauce. And 3 tablespoons of gochugaru. I wanna use some color. 3 tablespoons of gochugaru flakes. 1 tablespoon of sugar. So we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of 매실 egg. This is Korean plum extract syrup. Nice. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 식초. Last but not least, we need some garlic, minced garlic. 1 tablespoon or 2 cloves of garlic. So let's mix it up. Look at the color. 자, 맛을 볼게요. It's a little bit tangy, a little bit sweet. It's really well balanced. I will do it in the true Korean style with my bare hand. 근데 나 이거 하고 나서 어제 손톱 안에 고추장이 다 묻어가지고. This is where the fun begins. Yes. So right now it looks a little bit dry, but don't worry because the radish will release some water in a bit. Wow. You wanna give it a taste? Now we're gonna add all these green onions. Mix it up. So guys, you don't have to use all of this for your bibimbap. This is great because you can save it in a Tupperware and then eat it later as banchan. We're gonna add in some chamge, which is sesame seeds, as a final topping. I like this to be a lot. 어제도 이만큼 했거든. 맛있었으면 말을 맙시다. Ooh, look at that. This is your simple 무 banchan.
Ooh, this looks delicious.
Ooh, look at the color. Do you guys see?
This 무생채, as compared to the ones that you get at like grocery markets, this one has way stronger flavor. So it's like up front. It's like a food truck 무생채, if I could say so. Perfect for rubbing with rice or mixing with rice.
Let's now fry up an egg.
Perfect.
So from here, if you're really hungry, you can add in some beef or chicken or any topping you like. But today we're happy with just a fried egg because we want to lose some weight for our wedding too. So let's fry up an egg. In the meantime, we're gonna boil up some 된장찌개 which I made last night. I actually used the leftover radish from this 무생채 비빔밥. We bought some tofu too, so we're gonna add it to this and then up this 된장찌개. Let me just use half. Give it a good mix. Alright, I made some instant rice. We're gonna add in our radish. Ta-da! Alright guys, I think that's good enough. bit of sesame oil. This is a must. There it is. Alright, so I'm going to break the egg. The best part is this mixing.
Wow.
너무 맛있어서 콧물이 나. Definitely you should add a scoop more radish after you're done mixing it. Now it's like a perfect seasoning. 너무 맛있어. And then if it gets too spicy, it's not really, but I just like to have my soup next to it. So how was it?
I'm so impressed by the simplicity. Like 무생채, it's usually a banchan that you get at the Korean market on the side, just a small, or you can make it at home. But putting it on as a main for banchan, wonderful.
Or maybe next time we can think of some recipe with our garden. Actually, I tried planting our perilla seed, perilla seed, but it never came out. So
I think we need to improve our gardening. I don't think we have green thumbs yet. We just have gochugaru fingers.